Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add a second Gmail account on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone. Once it's loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, a menu will pop up. Here, you need to tap on Add Another Account. This will take you to the account options. Now, select Google as the account type. This is necessary for adding another Gmail account. You will then be prompted to verify your identity. This is an important step to ensure your account security. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it. Once you've verified your identity, it's time to enter your email address or mobile phone associated with the second account. Take your time to ensure you enter it correctly. After that, tap Next at the bottom right corner. Now you'll need to complete the information for your new account. This may include entering your password and adjusting your settings as prompted. And there you have it. You've successfully added a second Gmail account to your Android device. Now you can easily switch between accounts and manage your emails seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.